All right, let's talk about emails. I've gotten about 500 of them already today. If you are prospecting and you're using emails, just stop it, knock it off completely with the long-winded multi-paragraph emails. Hope your day's going good. We help companies like yours do blank. If I could just have 5 minutes of your time, I'd like to explain to you how Acme can improve your life. Stop trying to write emails that are mini sales pitches and realize the goal of your email needs to be one thing and one thing only. You want to get somebody's attention and start a two-way conversation. Try doing this. Send out emails with one sentence. I've got an idea that I'd like to get your opinion on. Can you call me at blank? And give them your number. You're going to be shocked at how all of a sudden the response rate to your emails goes through the roof. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.